Hey, I'm Jordan Lindsay Smith. I'm 26 years old and I'm a Mito qualified collision repair technician, and I work at Bushroad Panel Beaters. I really enjoy the fact that it's a hands-on job. You test yourself every day, so every vehicle comes in, it's been crashed. No crash is the same, no job is the same, so I like the fact that every day is challenging. I received the 2018 CRA Apprentice of the Year Golden Hammer Award. You know, it's a really rewarding feeling, and yeah, I guess I'm just proud of myself. If you're interested in getting into panel beating or collision repair, the Gateway program that schools are still running, stuff like that are really awesome. There's so many jobs out there at the moment in panel beating and painting and other trades that, yeah, we just need more people to get amongst it. Collision repair is a great career option. You make good money and you develop skills that you can use for life.